when a student prepares for such an extensive and competitive examination like RBI, it is expected that sitting on one table and studying for months at a stretch is going to bring a lot of monotony. How do you make sure as a student that you keep your surrounding stable, less anxious, and more productive? By adding certain very basic elements to your surroundings, you can make your table and the surrounding area very, very useful and at the same time highly productive as well. I want to share with you some of the elements that I have added onto my table area in order to make my own teaching style, in order to make my own routine very productive and yet very less or little anxious at the same time. Because if you're trying to be highly productive, it is very much expected that your anxiety levels will go up for a small period of time. So in this session, in this small video, I want to share with you the aspirants of RBI examination. What small elements can you add to your table and bring your table, bring your surroundings to life and add to your productivity, add to your preparation as well. Let's start with some very basic elements. The first one is, of course, something like water. Now, a lot of people keep recommending कि 4 bottle आपको 4 लीटर पानी पीना चाहिए daily basis पे, but we keep ignoring it because हमें लगता है कि यार इतना ज़्यादा नहीं हो पाएगा. But I personally have seen the impact of drinking 3 to 4 liters of water every day. Normally, what people do is एक bottle रख लिया और उसी को बार बार भर रहे हैं. That itself is creating distractions in your studies. आपने एक bottle भर ली, फिर आप you've created an excuse, you will go and fill the bottle again and then start drinking. तो मैंने बहुत सिंपल किया, मैंने 4 अलग अलग टाइप्स की बॉटल्स रख ली because now I don't have an excuse. मैं मॉर्निंग में चारों भर लेता हूँ and then I know that I cannot get up for something like filling up water. But at the same time it helps me focus as well because जब भी मुझे पानी चाहिए होता है and if I feel a little thirsty also, I have water with me. It helps me maintain my focus area. So keeping some water bottles, not one water bottle, with you is very, very useful. I have seen the impact of that. The second one is grub. थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें खाने के लिए. Now normally we as people try to eat all kind of कचरा. हम लोग लेस के चिप्स खा लेते हैं, बिस्किट्स रख लेते हैं. But I realize that it makes you bloat and makes you sleepy. It immediately takes away your focus. It increases your distraction because बहुत कार्ब हेवी डाइट खा लेते हो ना, तो उसके बाद आपका फोकस करने का मन नहीं करता है. इट जस्ट टेक्स यू अवे फ्रॉम इट. तो मैंने रियलाइज किया दैट चना वर्क्स वेल फॉर मी. एक तो उसके बाद मैं पानी पी सकता हूँ बहुत आराम से, देयर इज नो साइड इफेक्ट, प्लस एट द सेम टाइम इट कीप्स मी full also whenever I feel that I'm feeling a little hungry, and there's no problem with eating as much as chana as you want. It also helps me keep more active. थोड़े चने खाते हैं तो मुझे लगा let me try this and it actually works. It is very, very healthy diet which helps me stay active when I'm studying. I don't feel sleepy और नींद भी आनी होती है तो 15-20 मिनट की पावर नैप में ले लेता हूँ. That is the second thing. Third thing that I always keep with myself and use every day is something for my eyes, because आप लोग भी पढ़ोगे तो you'll be using a lot of you'll be straining your eyes a lot. तो उसके लिए I use something like this. It's an eye gel mask. अब मुझे नहीं पता, I'm not a doctor, so I don't know what are the side effects of this, but I find this very useful because nothing is going inside my eye and I can use it whenever I want. I keep it in the fridge. Whenever I want to use it, I just take it out and use it. I always keep it near me as much as possible. इससे immediately your eyes, which are the focus area of your body when it comes to studying, something that you definitely need as an aspirant, I try to keep that more healthy through this. The next one is something that I feel it's the most important, something that is the most simple and the most important, and this is a distractions sheet. So this is something that I always keep with myself. मैंने notice किया whenever I start to study, whenever I sit down to study, the first thing that happens is a thought of distraction कि यार ये भी तो करना था, ये बचा है, कपड़े धोने थे वो बचे हैं, इस फ्रेंड को कॉल करना था वो बचा है, इस फ्रेंड के लिए गिफ्ट लेना था वो बचा है, मूवी जाने का मन था वो मूवी बुक नहीं करी. All kinds of distractions. It can be anything at all. It can be related to your studies. It may not be related to your studies. कुछ भी हो सकता है. So I always keep this with myself. Daily basis पे मैं एक नया पेज खोलता हूँ and as soon as I have a distraction thought in my mind when I'm studying, I just write it down. तो जैसे मैंने आज का ये लिखा हुआ है, buy stationery, invest online in SIP, schedule next companies at class, buy a gift for a friend, book tickets, कैंडल लाइट. तो इस तरह से मैंने 5-6 चीजें जो भी मेरे दिमाग में है when I was studying in the morning, मैंने सब यहाँ पर लिख लिया. This is a must have. This is something that automatically will help you reduce your anxiety. क्योंकि आपको पता है आपने लिख लिया, अब तो ये हो ही जाएगा, अभी नहीं होगा तो 3 घंटे बाद होगा. So it automatically takes your mind off that thought and helps you focus on what you're doing right now. This is something that happens with all of us और हम इसके बारे में कुछ नहीं करते हैं. The next thing that I keep with myself is something other than course books. मुझे ऐसा लगता है that I often need a dose of something other than course books when I'm reading, because उससे ना वो intellectual stimulation नहीं होता है when you're just reading your course books. तो मैं हमेशा अपने साथ एक टेबल पे ट्राई करता हूँ एक ही बुक हो, which is something that I'm reading presently. So this is something that I received yesterday. I'll be reading it soon, A Fly on RBI Wall, and I'll be giving you a book review. So I try to keep something with myself which is related to my studies but not completely, helps me learn more about my target area, but it is not boring as well. It is in the form of a novel, in the form of a discussion as well. जब भी मेरे को पढ़ाई करके थोड़ा बोरियत होती है टीचिंग से, पढ़ने से, पढ़ाने से, so I move to something like this. It helps me calm down. That is the objective. It's not to learn more, it's to calm yourself down. Let's come to the next one, which I believe is very, very useful, and it helps take me away from smartphones. Now, this is an alarm clock or a normal clock as well. It can be used as anything. To get up in the morning, to find your time when you're studying, to schedule your timing, to sleeping at night, instead of using a wristwatch for everything or a phone for everything, try using something like a clock. Keep it on your table. Again, this is an old school thing which helps you go back in time and automatically takes you away, a little away from anxiety and a little away from all kinds of distracting things that or thoughts that you have. यार ये भी नहीं हुआ, ये भी बचा है, ये भी बचा है, ये भी बचा है. It helps you, realize कि अभी time है. Just keep focusing on what you're doing right now. बहुत ज़्यादा सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. अभी भी आपके पास काफ़ी समय है, काफ़ी कुछ करने के लिए. And the last element that I always keep with myself, या तो मेरी टेबल के पास रहता है या फिर आसपास रहता है, that is a whiteboard. I would recommend that you have something like this with yourself all the time. या तो whiteboard की sheets भी आती हैं which are very cheap. You can just paste it on your wall, use it, और जब वो पूरा भर जाए तो उसको फेंक सकते हो निकाल के. Or you can just buy a whiteboard like this or a smaller one. I would recommend this is the minimum size that you can have or should have. जो भी तुम्हारे दिन में टारगेट्स हैं, जो भी सोच रहे हो, अगले 1 महीने के जो थॉट्स हैं, जो भी गलत हो रहा है, सही हो रहा है, try to write everything on this in the form of a graph, in the form of a chart, in the form of a diagram, in the morning or late at night when you're done with your studies. इससे ना पर्सपेक्टिव मिलता है and it gives you a bird's eye view of your own thoughts, and it also helps you structure your thoughts, क्योंकि आपके पास एक मार्कर और एक बड़ा सा बोर्ड आ गया. Paper is a small thing. This is something bigger that you have, so it gives you a bigger space to express yourself. तो उससे काफ़ी learning improve होती है. जैसे हम आज बना रहे थे कि आंसर राइटिंग अगर हमें करवानी है स्टूडेंट्स को अभी आरबीआई एग्जामिनेशन की, हाउ डू यू स्टार्ट इट, हु विल डू व्हाट, हाउ विल दे बी डूइंग इट, क्या हमें करना है, क्या हमें नहीं करना है. तो अगर हम यही चीज़ पेपर पे करेंगे, वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू इट वेल. बट एज सून एज यू गेट ऑन टू अ बोर्ड, automatically your juices start flowing. So keep this with yourself. It can be used for multiple things. It also reduces monotony because पूरे दिन आप बैठ के पढ़ रहे हो, you can get up and start using the board. तो थोड़ा सा चेंज हो जाता है उसमें. Okay, तो monotony चली जाती है, थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्टिंग बन जाता है. You start. I feel that I'm talking to the board, so it reduces loneliness as well at times, because sitting and studying for the entire day becomes very lonely at times. तो ये सारे प्रॉप्स हैं जो मैं रेगुलर बेसिस पे यूज करता हूँ. ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज अ न्यूज़पेपर स्टैंड जस्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी बिहाइंड यू. तो मैं ट्राई करता हूँ कि न्यूज़पेपर में बैठ के ना पढूं, खड़े होके पढूं. बट आई डोंट थिंक दैट इज समथिंग दैट यू कैन हैव और यू शुड हैव. इट विल बी टू मच. इफ यू हैव द स्पेस, व्हाई नॉट, बट इफ यू डोंट हैव द स्पेस, then you can just keep the newspaper on your table as well. So these are the props that I try to use, that I try to keep with myself, and they help me make my day productive, make my day more useful, make it less anxious, and at the same time contribute towards your studies by studying myself and by teaching you as much as possible on a daily basis. That's all for today. If you have any doubts, if you have anything to say at all, you can put it your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll see you very, very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Over and out.